Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Lopita presenting the news headlines of the day.
As a part of its strategy to check crime rate and also at the same time nab criminals in the twin cities of Bhubaneswar and Cuttack, the Commissionerate Police will soon launch the mobile app Atithi. The app is especially for hoteliers to share details about their guests with the local police. They will have to provide information under the Sarai Act 1867. A student of the Veer Surendra Sai Institute of Medical Sciences and Research in Burla has complained Friday about being ragged by seniors. Acting on the complaint, the anti-ragging cell of the Premier Medical Institute of Western Odisha has launched a probe. Sources say that the second-year MBBS student of the institute complained about ragging early Friday morning when the institution's anti-ragging squad was on a routine visit in one of the hostels. 5 years have passed since a model bus stand was envisaged for the ever-increasing populace of Dhenkanal town, but the project has not progressed at all due to the non-availability of a suitable location. The old bus stand is hardly meeting the requirements of the passengers and they face problems on a daily basis. Resentment among the residents of the town as well as frequent commuters are building up against the local administration as it is not making a wholehearted effort to construct a modern bus terminus. A 55 feet tall shivling was installed and worshipped Thursday afternoon at Mahaling village under Golamunda block in Kalahandi on the occasion of Mahashivratri. People in the locality claimed that the idol is the tallest shivling in Odisha. Sources said the idol was constructed with funds and materials contributed by the villagers of Mahaling. Even as the district administration and the forest authorities are yet to clear the Bhitarkanika National Park of illegal prawn gheris, the latest farming of Roopchand fish has posed an added threat to the ecosystem of the sanctuary, a report said. BJP leader Subhendu Adhikari filed Friday his nomination from the Nandigram Assembly constituency here. Subhendu Adhikari will be contesting against West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The one-time protege of the TMC Supremo also assured his supporters that he would win by a margin of 50,000 or more votes. The Supreme Court Friday said the central and the state governments should not appoint persons holding government office as election commissioners. A bench headed by Justice R.F. Nariman said entrusting additional charge of state election commissioner to a government official is a mockery of the constitution. The bench emphasized that a compromise on the independence of the Election Commission (EC) is not acceptable and only independent persons should be the election commissioners. In the latest development in the Mukesh Ambani bomb scare case, the Tihar jail officials have seized a mobile handset and SIM card on which a Telegram account in the name of Jaish-ul-Hind was created, the Delhi police said Friday. Based on the information provided by the special cell, Tihar jail authorities have seized a mobile phone from a jail where certain terror convicts are lodged. It is suspected that this phone has been used for operating Telegram channels used recently for claiming responsibility for terror acts or threats. Captain of the women's ODI cricket team Mithali Raj became the first Indian to score 10,000 international runs during the game against South Africa being played in Lucknow. Mithali Raj achieved this astounding feat during the course of her 36-run knock. This is the third ODI of the 5 matches series with the scores tied at 1-1.
That's all for today. To stay updated, stay with Odisha Post Live.